Now what's that down there in the corner? Why, it's just a really old voice recording tape measure. Why would they want to record your voice with this thing? Huh. It doesn't seem to work very well. It's getting all tangled. I just suck. Come on, get back in. I don't need to help you. Get back in yourself. Come on, stop dancing around. Come on. Loosen up. I have to force it back in. It doesn't do the zip. That's so perfect. Wow. And it's never worked, even though I've had it sitting in my garage for like 10 plus years. Get back in frame. Gotta meet the golf club. Let's hit it from the top. Wow. Really glad that didn't hit me. There's your problem. Look at that. Just unraveling everywhere. Oh, there's the end. It's this long, as you can see. Get over here, golf club. Tape measure. Never gonna work in a first.